received my Raceland wind deflector, and I ordered it from Amazon for about $105 or something like that. And I know this thing gets a pretty bad rap out there for certain, I don't know, for whatever reason. However, quite a few people on the E30 groups on Facebook that actually swear by them, said some people have had them for years, and gave some tips on, you know, what to do to prevent the issues being reported on the reviews. However, it does come in this bubble wrap, and the hardware was in the box, and it looks decently made. And then what else is in this box here? I have 2 brackets, 2 screws, 2 washers, apparently more in this bag, but I don't know. Yeah. And then it came with these this set of instructions, and they're black and white. It's only about 6 steps, and the main thing here says apparently the brackets are coded so they can only be installed one way. The arms, they go on the outside, and the screws go on the inside here. So when you put it in, then this folds up like so. It's really easy to put in. It goes in these slots here. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm not done, but back here what I did was I had some of this material left over from one of the door trims, and what I did was, as you can see, I cut it to size and put it there. All right, so for here, because this is so thin here, the amount of space we have to work with, I'm gonna use some of this wire loom plastic to see how it works. So there you have it. Let's see, I'll let you know after I do a review how good it is and if it works or not. It folds flat, and like I said, I use some wire loom cover and those little rubber feet to protect my interior. And as you can see, it's a lot better. So I'm happy to report that after I took it for a ride, it actually works incredibly well. So I'm back.